new product. Okay, this is the boat airdopes. Okay, the model name is 131. Okay, this one have like 30 mm driver and 5-minute SF charging, but it must take like a 10 minute to charge, 10 to 20 minutes for charging. Okay, it's depend on your charger as well. Okay, and pretty much voice, they get good quality pass drops as well. Okay, it's a pretty mic. Okay, let's unbox this product. Okay, this product you get around 1k or 1.5k. Okay, let's unbox it. So let's see what content in box. It's a pretty much good packing. Okay, I just forget it's a DC collection. Okay, I don't know why it is, but it's on like DC and Batman. Okay, there's one more seal. Just give me a second. Yeah, it's clear. Let's open the box. How's the box open? Is there anything else? Okay, just a second. Oh, okay, there's two sides there. Okay, it's open. Okay, so let's on it. Okay. Yes, we have these airdrops. Okay, so we apply our polished product as well. There's one more packing wrapper. Okay, let's look good. Okay, we will just let it after that. Okay, just say about content in product. Okay, so just there are some document, warranty cards or how to use and blah 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 things. We'll just skip it. Okay, so just check what are these documents. Basically boat is very good band for headphones and airdrops as well. Okay, there is nothing else. I think that, yeah, yes, this one. I like this one. This is a boat sticker. I also have one before. Okay, and it must be contained a charging cable. So yeah, it's a type C charger. Okay, you can just charge within 5 minutes with your any mobile charger. Okay, just keep this all product aside and we can just check out our airdrops. Okay, it's very good finishing with the bottom type C charging port. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, have a pretty good build quality as well. Okay, just turn it on. Okay, it's one tap. The secondary might be for the assistant or Siri or Google Assistant, depend on your device. Okay, it's the left right indicator. Okay, so we have this product. Okay, I'll just post a review of this after use. I can just use this device for the 1 week, and after that I'll give you the proper review how this device it is, and as well as the purchase link in this description. Okay, you can just check it out. Yeah, thank you guys, bye bye.